Hello and welcome to another video on our multiplayer course. In this video we will make a lobby timer that when it reaches 0 we will travel to another map, which is the main map that we will play in. So first let's make a new map, new level. I'll choose the open world. Now this open world map, let's save it. Save current map as. Let's go save it in the map folder, in our map folder, and call it main map or level 1. You name it whatever you want. Now after we made the map, let me open it and change here the game mode override, make it into the tank game mode. Also here let's disable the streaming for the world partition. Now let's go to the game mode. First let's open the main menu map because we want to start from the main menu. Now let's go to the game mode here. Here in the game mode, what we want to do, we want to spawn into the lobby map. Then when another player spawns or joins the game or the match, the timer will start from like maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds until it reaches 0. When it reaches 0, you travel to the new. So let's find an event which is called on post login. On post login. Event on post login. This event is called whenever a new player joins the game. So what we want to do is add a check here to check the number of the players in the game, and if it exceeds the 1, it is 1 or it is 2 or more, then we start the lobby timer. Let's get num players, or you can get num player controllers, whatever you want, this one or this one. For me, I'll get num. Let's get the players. Okay, here. Now let's run a check. If it is more than one player, and branch. Now if it is more than one player, what we need to do, we need to check if the current level is the lobby level. So get current level name. Here we turn the string to a name so we can match it to another name, and the other name that we need to match with is the lobby level name. And let's get the lobby name, this one, lobby map, copy it and paste it here. And it's better to promote it to a variable and call it lobby map name. It's better to put everything in a variable. Now also let's call a branch. Branch here, and if it is true, we will set timer by event. So this timer will start, and the timer will be looping because we want it to update every certain time. At the time, I will make it update every quarter of a second, so it will update 4 times in a second because I want the time to be accurate. Then here, let's make a custom event. The custom event, call it lobby timer. So, lobby timer, and connect this custom event to the timer by event. Then here, let's make a new variable, call it lobby time or timer or time. Leave it as time because it has another name. It should be a float, and this time is the time we set to count down to. Then when it reaches 0, it makes us travel to another level. So this time I will make it now 5 seconds just for testing. Here, let's get the time. Subtract 1 from the time, then set the lobby timer. Now this lobby timer will update 4 times a second. Sorry, no, I want it to update every 1 second. So that every 1 second we subtract 1. We subtract 1 second, and when we reach the 0, we travel. And here, let's check. Let's add a branch. Don't forget to set this time to 1. So every 1 second this timer will update. Now let's get the lobby time and check if it is less or equal to 0. Now if it is less or equal to 0, we will just let me make place so that let's make print string here to see if the timer is working right. Here, when the lobby time gets to 0, we execute the server travel. How do we do this? First, we need execute console command. Execute console command. The console command will be server travel slash. We need the path for the map, which will be here the content, which we will call game, then the tank game folder, then map, then the map name. So let me just copy the map name here. Sorry, the map name is the main map that we want to open and want to travel to. So let's see game, then tank game folder, then map, then after this we put the map name and add this question mark and listen. Here for a specific player, we'll get player controller, which will be the host. This player controller, which will be the host of the game. Now let's test. Now let's create a game. Let's host a game here. 4 let's find the game. And let's join the game. Now the timer will start. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we should travel to another map. Well, now we are traveling. Now the concept was right. Don't worry about the wrong spawn, because we didn't put any player start there. So the concept is right. And just let me here add a clamp node here, because I don't want the number to go below 0 when we make the UI. Now for the minimum is 0 and the maximum is the lobby time. Now let's go to the where is the main map, this main map, and open it. Let's look for where the player start. Let's snap view to object. Now we are here. Now let's duplicate this player start. Where is the duplicate? Okay, I'll duplicate it here. Control and D. Now let's choose these also, and also again duplicate them. Now choose the 4 and duplicate them. Don't forget to set the tags. Start here with the player start 1. The tag first will be 0, which corresponds to the index of the players that are connected to the server. The 2 will be 1. For the 3 will be 2, and 4 will be 3. Now 5 will be 4, and 6 will be 5, and the 7 will be 6, and the 8 will be 8. 7. Now let's save. Let's go back to the main menu map and try again. Here, host a game. Make 3 players. Let's find a game. Well, let's read, because here we didn't press enter, so we need to either tell the players to press enter, or let's go and to the UI here for the host session and choose this text box and go here on committed. Let's connect also this one on user moved focus. On cleared, we don't need it. Default, we don't need it. Now let's test again. Let's put 3, and now if we press on another place, it takes the number. Let's see if we press 2 now. Find. Now let's find the game and connect. Now we are connected. Now let's see. We travel to the other map. Everything working fine. I'm shooting. Now shoot at the tank here. Let me shoot him again. Now it's working fine. Here for the command, let's make it slightly more organized. Let's use the append. Sorry, I want append string. Let me use it here because I do not want these to go away. So let's add another pin. So for the first, for the A, we will use these strings up to here. Copy it and put it here. What append does, it combines these three. You put here three strings and it combines them into one. So here first we'll put the path for the file path for the map, and here we will put the name of the map, and here we'll put the listen, this one, the question mark for the listen here. Sorry, copy and paste. Also let's copy the main map name and paste it here. And let's connect this one, this node, and disconnect this. And this main map we will promote to a variable and call it main map name. And later on we will make an array of these names because we will make more than one map to spawn and to change between maps when we finish the game in one map. Now let's test it again to make sure it is working right. Let's create a game and find a game. Let's join a game here and wait for 5 seconds. Then we will travel. Now it's working. Okay. Now one thing more to do is here in the project settings, you should use what they call here in the advanced, the transition map. Sometimes you what the transition map does, it sometimes it transfers you to the transition map before loads the next map or the map that you loaded, to avoid black screens, and it's like sort like a loading screen. So let's make a map here. Let's go to transition map. I will let's open this one, see what's in it. Well, let's use another one. Let me here make new level. This is the basic one, and let's save it. Save current level as, let's go transition map. Transition map. Let's go back to the project settings here and look for the transition map. Close the project settings. And I think this is enough for this video, and I will stop here and see you on the next video.